Okay, this is my big stick. It's a maiden flight this morning, nice sunny morning. The plane's got a 1250mm wingspan, cord of 355 including the inset ailerons. Fuse is just a stick that's 900mm long. The weight with the 1550 pack, which is a 3-cell pack, Gen's Ace, is 945. It's running a Turnigy D283011 on a 9.6 prop today. It's a 1000 kV motor, although it's been incorrectly labelled 1100. Say it's got full 4 channel, built for somebody who's having some problems keeping some of the smaller and flightier stuff in the air. So I'm going to give it a go now, see if she flies. Say maiden flight. CG's set around about a third of chord. Not got a surplus of power, is it? It's all covered by packing tape. My normal method is this is mostly, well, it is actually the dark grey depron, which isn't quite as stiff as the white as far as I'm concerned. But I had a lot of it, and with the wing construction it's been plenty strong enough. Roll rate's not brilliant, might have to change the position on the horns a bit. That's about half throttle. Well, it's doing what I wanted it to do. It's a big old wing, a bit aerobatic if you want it to be, but not so much it'll get away from you. It can fly very slowly. In quite a small space actually. You can see. A loop from level flight. How many more do you want to do? Yeah, a bit more airline response, especially coming out of the loop and want to do a half roll. I've got a dog for company now. Big clump of grass there.